Hey guys, it's Jeff, and for the past week I've been enjoying iOS 12 on my iPhone 10 and iPad Pro, but a lot of people have been asking how the battery life is. So let's jump into that subject and also weigh out the performance benefits as well. So it's been a week since all of us got the opportunity to take the first look at iOS 12 through the developer beta 1. Now, Apple made a lot of claims during their keynote stating that iOS 12 brings a massive performance boost, so when I got the beta, I went directly to the benchmarks and found that while the CPU performance is slightly better, we are actually seeing a way higher boost in performance on the GPU side of things. So with that being said, we have a higher performance. What about the battery life hit with that performance? I'd say it's actually quite minimal. Battery life is not perfect and is definitely worse off than in iOS 11.4, but it's not absolutely terrible like the betas that we saw with iOS 11. Remember that this is beta 1, so there are a lot of revisions to come for iOS 12 betas, and given the performance boost and the minimal battery performance drain, I'd say we're off to a great start on iOS 12 betas. So more on battery life, if you go to the settings app and then onto the battery menu, you can actually see your overall performance throughout the past few days. Apple has even integrated a graph and flowchart of how your device is doing and how much usage you are getting out of your battery. Below that, you have a very similar display of apps and how much battery/usage they have been taking up on your device. So here you can see exactly what is eating up your battery, and if you are already on iOS 12 and you want to manage your battery life well, make sure to take a close look at this to figure out how you can maximize your battery life while Apple makes their improvements throughout the next few betas. Now back to performance, and honestly it's not a game changer. I do think though that with the new hardware coming in the fall, iOS 12 is going to be an absolute beast both on the iPhone and the iPad lineups. I honestly cannot wait for what we are going to see with the new iPads and how great the performance will be with the mix of iOS 12 and hopefully some awesome hardware. So guys, in my opinion, it's pretty safe to make that upgrade to iOS 12 on any of your iDevices. Performance isn't affected and neither is your battery life. So why not just enjoy some of the new features found in iOS 12? You can get all of those features in iOS 12 by heading down to the link in the description below, where they will be a configuration profile for you to install onto your iDevice. Now, make sure before you do that, you read up on some bugs people are experiencing, because some apps are not working well with iOS 12. You can find a forum with these topics in the link below. I believe that's a Reddit page, r/iOS beta. Anyways guys, that is my rundown of battery life on iOS 12. Thank you all for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button, get subscribed for some more upcoming content, and stay tuned because we have some really exciting things coming up this week. We'll catch you all in the next one. Peace out.